Dear CBSE students, we will begin with the new session with lesson number 6, that is triangles. In this triangles, you have to study basically the similarity of triangles, how two triangles are similar. When we say similar figures or similar triangles, that means the two figures have their sides in proportion, means the ratio of their sides are same, equal, and their angles are congruent. Okay, so taking into consideration lesson number 6, similarity of triangles, the weightage for this lesson is 9 marks, so it is important. Okay, I have already explained the basic proportionality theorem. The link I will be putting in the description box. So today I begin with the converse of the basic proportionality theorem, which states that if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, हमारे पास ये line है DE, it is dividing the two sides AB and AC in the same ratio. In the same ratio का मतलब AD upon DB, ये ratio हो गया, ठीक है, is equal to what? AE upon EC. This is given to us. आपको प्रूफ क्या करना है कि ये जो लाइन DE है, it is parallel to the third side BC. This line is dividing two sides AB and AC in the same ratio, so this line should be parallel to the third side. Then the line is parallel to the third side. We have to prove this part. Okay, तो इसको प्रूफ करने के लिए we go by an indirect method. We say in the proof कि suppose this line DE is not parallel to side BC. It is not parallel to side BC. अब अगर ये DE BC को पैरेलल नहीं है तो हम एक लाइन ले लेते which should be parallel to BC passing through this point D. So what are we going to do is we will take a line from this point D such that it is parallel to BC, क्योंकि हमको प्रूफ क्या करना है, DE is parallel to BC. So हम indirect method लेते हैं, उसमें हम बोलते हैं कि suppose this line DE is not parallel to BC, contradict करते हैं जो हमको प्रूफ करना है. Okay, so if DE is not parallel to BC, let there be some other line, say passing through this point D and parallel to BC. So this you have to imagine. Okay, so this is your line passing through the point and parallel to BC. So we call this point as E dash. Okay, there is a line DE dash which is parallel to BC. So what do we write now? So let there be a line DE dash parallel to BC such that A dash E dash C. ठीक है, अब अगर ये DE dash BC को पैरेलल है, जो बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम है या थेल्स थ्योरम है, according to the basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem, if DE dash is parallel to BC, then AD upon DB should be equal to AE dash upon E dash C. What is basic proportionality theorem? That if a line divides any two sides in distinct point, then and it is parallel to the third side. Okay, if you are drawing a line passing through any two sides which is parallel to the third side, then this line will divide the other two sides in the same ratio. This is basic proportionality theorem. So according to the basic proportionality theorem, this AD upon DB will be equal to AE dash upon E dash C, है ना? So therefore AD upon DB is equal to AE dash upon E dash C by थेल्स थ्योरम भी बोलते हैं इसको, या बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम भी बोलते हैं, और बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम. Okay, so this is your equation number 1. Now what are we given? We are given, what are we given? See, this is what we are given. AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. This is what is given to us. But AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. ये दिया हुआ है हमको. This is your equation 2. This is given to us. अब आप कंपेयर करिए ये दोनों इक्वेशंस को. द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल, AD upon DB, AD upon DB. So the left hand side is equal. If the left hand side is equal, naturally the right hand side will be equal. So now we write, therefore, AE dash upon E dash C will be equal to AE upon EC. Reason is from 1 and 2. है ना? अब now what we do is, to this equation we will add 1 to both the sides. So if you add 1 to both the sides, see what do we get. Now AE dash upon E dash C plus 1. हम स्टेट बोर्ड में इस चीज को प्रॉपर्टी बोलते हैं, property of ratio, that is called as component. What are we doing? Adding 1 to both the sides. Adding 1 to both sides. Okay? अब आप 1 ऐड कर रहे हो तो आपको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन करना पड़ेगा. And if you cross multiply, what are you going to get? Therefore, AE dash plus E dash C upon E dash C will be equal to, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, ठीक है ना, AE plus EC upon EC. Fine. Now let us come to the figure. AE dash plus E dash C क्या होता है? देखिए, AE dash plus E dash C is nothing but your AC, है ना? So the numerator becomes now AC upon E dash C. What about the right hand side C? Right hand side will be, this is AE plus EC, है ना? AE plus EC. देखो इधर AE plus EC, ये दोनों को ऐड करेंगे तो फिर से आपको क्या मिल रहा है? AC अपॉन EC. अब न्यूमरेटर सेम है आपके, सेम है तो कैंसिल हो गए फिर ये. तो आपके पास बचा क्या? व्हाट डू यू गेट हियर? यू विल गेट, therefore, okay, I am going this way. Therefore, E dash C is equal to EC. अब क्या बोल रहा है देखो, E dash C is equal to EC. अगर E dash C और EC एक है, इसका मतलब ये जो दोनों पॉइंट्स है E dash और E, दे आर नॉट डिस्टिंक्ट, ये अलग अलग नहीं है, दीज आर वन एंड द सेम. तो ही आपका E dash C विल बी इक्वल टू EC, है ना? ये दोनों जो पॉइंट्स है E dash और E, दे आर नॉट डिफरेंट, दे आर नॉट डिस्टिंक्ट, बट दे आर वन एंड द सेम. Hence our assumption that DE is not parallel to BC is false. I hope you got this thing. Okay, so this implies points E dash and E coincide, they are one and the same, they are at the same point. Therefore, our assumption is false. Hence, what is that? Hence, DE is parallel to BC. Okay, I hope you got the theorem. Students, I have put the link of the basic proportionality theorem in the description box. Any doubt you have, please put it in the comment box, and kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. It's a humble request to the CBSE students. Okay, please do this.